Swinging? You swinging? Swinging? You are? You hear the airplane? It's up in the sky, isn't it? Nana has a lot of airplanes. Yeah.
Do you have tractors?
Not here. Papa's got a tractor up in his farm in Castle.
Do you have babies in it coming?
No. Do you?
No.
Who does?
School.
Somebody at school does?
Yeah.
Who?
Miss Renee.
Oh, Miss Renee? She gonna have a baby? Ooh. That's nice.
Emma's going to get up.
Okay. Emma, you ready?
Hi.
You ready to get up?